It was reliable and dependable every time. My name is Lori Hall. I am the manager of program and portfolio management in ArcBest Technologies. ArcBest mission is to connect and positively impact the world through solving logistics challenges. It's a full-service logistics company providing integrated logistics solutions for every mile of the supply chain, including truckload, LTL, ocean and air, ground expedite, managed transportation, and warehousing. ArcBest is located on 2 main campuses in Fort Smith, Arkansas, and we have several smaller campuses throughout the U.S. Communication and collaboration among these teams and work streams is critical to our business. We found Ford AV to come help us update our technology in a major corporate building renovation. The equipment being reliable was critical. It needed to be easy to use. Ford AV helped us design solutions for digital signage, conferencing technology, and audiovisual in our conference rooms. That was easy to use, and it was serviceable remotely. It was standardized across our conference rooms so that it was the same experience for every employee in every room. It was reliable and dependable every time.